Today we are making a Labubu. We're drawing a Labubu.
What's a Labubu?
It's a stuffed animal that's going viral right now.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's get started.
All right, here we go. Step one, you ready?
Yes.
Don't worry, because you'll learn, and it will be funny to have two different ones.
That's so weird. Ew.
I love that already.
Oh, I don't.
I know, just stick with it. Stick with the process. Ready?
I probably won't, yeah.
Can't see yours.
Oh gosh.
Go highlight.
Oh,
All right, let's
so creepy.
let's color that in. Where would you get a file? Where would you get a? I almost said it. Where would you get a Labubu? You have to order them.
I think they're on Pinterest or something. They're like 30
All right, here's.
$60.
I'm doing the mouth. So can you get like a little one somewhere?
No.
Okay. Okay, you ready for this part?
Yeah. Ooh,
It's gonna get a little wild here. But then this is like the.
what?
It's okay. You can go off the paper a little bit. You got this. And then you do, if you need to go off too, you can go. Then we're gonna do the same little thing, a little space. I'm gonna go off like that and come back. Okay. Like yours. Okay. Ear. You got this, girl. Ear. Oh, I like what you're doing. So there's like 3 lines in there. Okay. Doing okay? Okay, then like
No, I can't have. I don't have room.
it's okay. This happens sometimes.
Uh-oh, that's terrible.
I'm doing thumb. Okay.
Ooh.
Whoops, I did like a shirt by accident, but that's okay.
Brutal. I might need to do another one.
Brutal. I forgot his leg. That's okay. I'm gonna make his little legs.
It's really on the table on it. This looks. Oh, it's not perfect.